Hey Beyond Style fam, welcome back to my channel. I am Q and today we're doing a soft glam look. This one right here, super simple, super easy, does not take a long time. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
You made this work, I made this worse. We felt.
I'm just about to jump right into this video. We are doing a soft glam look, or my version of a soft glam look, and it's going to be super easy. I'm going to be working with only 2 palettes, and honestly probably only one of those. As soon as I get into it, I'll figure it out. But I have the Morphe 9A palette, as well as the Pure, girl, this is in French, the Pure Sorry Diaries palette. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. This is the inside of it, and this is the inside of the Morphe palette. So neutrals, we going real basic. I feel like for a soft glam, it's more so the base. So your face, you want your face to look really good, and then in my opinion you should keep the eyes very soft and do some lashes and call it a day. So I'm going to attempt to put on some lashes on camera. Y'all just wish me luck. So yeah, let's just get into it. I am first going to go on with, I need a light transition color, so I'm gonna go into the Pure palette and use the color Splurge, and that's this color right here. Okay,
A thousand times you moved away. I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, I'm so sorry that I hurt you.
okay, now I am going to go into the Morphe palette, and I want to use the color Aware, which is this color. Okay,
Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me?
okay, now for my lid, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe palette. Girl, what? I'm gonna go in with the Morphe palette again and use the color Myself, which is this one right here, and it's like a light camel color. So I'm gonna put that on my lid. Eyes is real simple, real neutral, natural, whatever you want to call it.
If I change my ways, won't you come back to me? Make no mistake.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with the same brush that I used in my crease and just blend everything out. Then I go back in again and just kind of like go back and forth and touch up the lid, the crease, the lid, the crease, because sometimes you can just blend stuff away and we don't want that. Alright, so the eyes are pretty much done for now. I am going to work on my face, and I'm going to start off with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer in Matte. Now we are just going to go in with some foundation. I like to use a brush like this. It's very dense, and then I also like to go in with some type of sponge and just, you know, make everything look more airbrushed. And the foundation I am using currently is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm in the color Golden Tan, and it just looks like this.
Won't you come back to me? Come back. Won't you come back to me?
Okay, So now that that is done, now we're gonna go in with some concealer, you know, whatever you got. Currently I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Y'all remember these back in the day. These is the GOAT. They still the GOAT, okay? And I'm using the color Pure Beige.
I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here.
Make sure your sponge is wet, okay? Make sure it's wet. It needs to be wet. Just needs to be wet. Don't ask me why. It just needs to be wet, okay?
It's safe to say, it's almost like you've disappeared.
So now that I am done with my highlight, I go in with the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. Oh wait, no, first, before we contour, we need to set. And as you can see, some people let their concealer sit for a little bit and then blend it out. I really don't. I just put it on there and then blend it out. So now I'm going to go in with my black, this is Black Radiance, right? Yeah. This is their True Complexion Loose Setting Powder, and it is in the color, there's no color, but it's yellow, so that's why I got it. I'm just going to go in and set everywhere where I highlighted, and then I'm going to go in with my contour.
I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes.
Next, I'm going to line my waterline with some black shadow that is in the Morphe palette. I find this easier than using a pencil for whatever reason, and I don't know. I really just like using a shadow instead of a liner. And I know people is going to say, don't pull your eye down like that. You're going to give yourself bags. But since I'm not that talented, so I need to pull my eye down. Okay, so everything is looking real good. What y'all think? I need to, y'all see this going on my forehead? So what I usually do is take whatever's left over on my brush and just blend out those edges, because we don't want that. Now I'm just going to go in with some of the finishing touches, which is my blush, and I'm using the Milani and Romantic Rose. It's a nice light pink color. Then I'm going to go in with some highlight, and that is going to be the Becca Prosecco Pop. Let me see. I fear if I open it. Okay, no. So I love this highlight. I put highlight on after I spray my face, and I spray it with the Mario Badescu facial rose water one, or whatever, you know, type of spray I have. I don't feel the need to use a setting spray per se. I just use whatever spray, girl. Even water works as a setting spray. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Why did I do that? So that's what I'm about to do right now, and then I will come back and attempt the eyelashes. Alright, so I am done with pretty much everything except for lashes and lips. So I have some regular black Ardell Wispies, and I'm just going to let y'all know, I do not really know how to put on eyelashes. I probably put them on 5 times now, and each time it's been a real struggle. Whew. I also don't know, like, how much is too much lash glue and how much is not enough lash glue. It's already like wanting to get on my lashes because they're curled up, so it's like I gotta go like down, and it's just too much. Then if I do that, I'll usually always end up getting glue on my lid and messing up my eyeshadow. This is a lot more nerve-wracking on camera. Bro, did I just do it? Hold up. Hold on.
You know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never.
No. Oh my gosh, this looks ridiculous. But the concept is there. The concept is there. I'm about to turn the camera off and really focus on putting these lashes on, and I'm gonna come back because I can't talk and I really have to concentrate when I do it. Alright y'all, I didn't put these eyelashes on. It took me probably about 20 minutes to get these eyelashes on, but I think they look okay. I feel like I am getting better. It just takes me a long time to apply them. But let me know what you guys think. Do they look okay? Do they look crazy? So yeah. And now we're gonna go in with our lips. So I'm using today the Lorac After Ego lip gloss. I love a lip gloss. It's like you don't have to worry about them, you know. Drink, eat, and it's like you just reapply, unlike lipstick. It's being nasty, so I love a good lip gloss. I'm going to be mixing the color Socialite and the color Entrepreneur. It's like a lighter pink and a darker pink, so, and we mix. And that is it. This is the look. What y'all think? This is a nice soft glam look. Super easy. The eyes were super easy. Face is real simple. Eyelashes, that's a whole nother story, but we made it. So tell me what you guys think. If you do like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below if you have problems with eyelashes, or if you are an expert at it and you have some tips. Definitely let me know down in the comments below as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.